Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since my last video, but we're here today, okay? We're here today, and I promise y'all I'm going to be more consistent from now on. I just need to get my life together. Anyways, about this look, I'm really excited about it because it was my first time really trying anything like that, like having the pop of color in the inner eye. So first, I started off by obviously doing my brows and then applying a brown transition shade in my crease area. I used the shade Cameroon from the Afrique palette from Juvia's Place. So when you're satisfied with the way your transition, such a tongue twister, your transition shade, Lord have mercy. When you're done with that, you're gonna want to apply the shade Unshook from the Wahala palette. It is a shimmery taupe shadow. I really like it, but like a pet peeve of mine is applying shadow with my fingers. I don't know why, but I find it like so dirty. Like I find the application so dirty, like applying with my fingers and stuff like that. I really hate that. But I found that the shadow looks more pigmented when you actually apply with your fingers instead of the eyeshadow brush. And you can just like rub off your finger all over the lid to deposit the shadow. I had to like go in a few times to get like the look that I wanted. And what I liked about this shadow is that it doesn't really apply too patchy. Like the application is quite even with the fingers, but then you're gonna want to like really go in a few times to really get, you know, the intensity that you want. So when you're done with the lid color, I went with the shade Woke from the Wahala palette, which is a matte bright lilac shadow. Like the point of this look, you can actually do it with whatever other like colors you have, but to achieve a look similar to this, you're gonna want to keep the lid color neutral. Like even if it's a shimmery, it has to be like a neutral color, like a neutral brown shimmer color, and then with a pop of color, you know, to contrast. So that's basically what you have to do. But I was so nervous for this look because Jesus, like I don't feel like my eye shape is the best for this type of look. I don't feel like this type of look is flattering on me. Well, I thought it wouldn't be flattering on me, so that's why I was very like hesitant and really nervous to actually try it. It was my first time ever in life trying a look like that, and I was actually quite happy with how it came out. And I think that from now on, I'm definitely going to redo this look, but with different colors and see what I prefer and stuff like that. But I really love this color combination. Basically, as I said, a taupish shimmery color on the lid, and then a pop of lilac in the inner corner. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. finish up the eye look, I decided to use a brown, like a dark brown eyeliner. I thought that a black one would be a bit too dark for the look, and I didn't want to take away from the eyeshadow, so I opted for a brown, like a regular brown eyeshadow from the drugstore. I think this one is from Essence, don't quote me, but then I found it at my local drugstore. So whatever brown eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, whatever, well, you could use a brown eyeshadow, but whatever brown either eyeshadow or eyeliner you have laying around would do the trick. And then to finish up the look, I just applied a nude lip gloss. If you want to see how I did my foundation, I have a foundation routine video on my channel, so just go check that out. I will also leave it at the end of this video so that you can just like click through. But yeah, that's basically the look. Let me know what you thought in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know how it goes, okay? I'm really feeling this ponytail. I need to like bring it back. But anyways, this is the video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.